it's time to take a hands-on look at the all-new Galaxy Buds Pro. The case has a smooth, slightly pearlescent look. It's about the size of a ring box. And, of course, the Buds Pro comes with sound by AKG. Let's open it up. The buds sit perfectly snuggled inside the case. Taking a closer look, it's amazing that 3 mics and 2-way speakers all fit inside the small form factor. You'll notice that the wingtip has been removed and the nozzle shortened for a more minimalistic design. This mesh on the outer shell acts as a windshield, keeping any wind noise to a minimum when you're taking a call. And the user experience is super friendly. When you put them back in the case, it's so satisfying to hear that magnetic click. There are so many accessories, and all of them also work with the Galaxy Buds Live. So that's the Galaxy Buds Pro. They're a must-have companion for your Galaxy devices.